Scene script. Imagine if you could turn your internet connection into a gold mine. It sounds like a wild fantasy, doesn't it? But what if it's not as far-fetched as you might think? Welcome to the world of making money online, a digital frontier full of potential and possibilities. As you journey through this video, you'll uncover the secrets of how ordinary people are earning extraordinary incomes, right from the comfort of their homes. The internet isn't just a tool for communication or entertainment, it's a portal to a new kind of economic landscape. We'll start with a challenge. You've probably heard of the myth that you can't make a decent living online. Well, it's time to debunk that myth. People from all walks of life, from college students to retirees, are making money online, and you can too. First, consider the world of freelancing. If you have a skill, whether it's writing, graphic design, or programming, there's a market for it online. Websites like Upwork and Fiverr have made it easier than ever to connect with clients from all over the world, transforming your talent into a steady income stream. Next, consider the vast realm of online marketplaces. Websites like Etsy and eBay have opened up new avenues for people to buy and sell goods. From handmade crafts to vintage collectibles, there's a buyer for almost anything. Then, there's the lucrative world of content creation. Platforms like YouTube and Twitch have given rise to a new generation of entertainers and educators. With a unique voice and a bit of creativity, you too can build an audience and monetize your content. But what about the world of investing and trading? With platforms like Robinhood and eToro, the stock market is no longer the exclusive domain of Wall Street elites. With a bit of knowledge and a keen eye for trends, you can make your money work for you. And finally, consider the world of affiliate marketing. By partnering with companies and promoting their products, you can earn a commission on every sale made through your referral link. Each of these avenues requires effort, dedication, and a bit of savvy. But with the right approach, they can unlock a world of financial freedom and flexibility. As you venture into the world of making money online, remember this: there's no one-size-fits-all solution. What works for someone else might not work for you. But with some trial and error, you can find a method that fits your skills, interests, and lifestyle. So, are you ready to turn your internet connection into a gold mine? It won't be easy, but the rewards can be well worth the effort. Before you embark on this journey, remember to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. Share it with your friends who might be interested in making money online, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful videos like this one. Here's to your success in the digital frontier. May your internet connection always be a portal to prosperity.